ponytail extensions are an easy way to elevate your hairstyle in a matter of minutes and take it from basic to beautiful. I'm obsessed with ponytail extensions and they are honestly my go-to accessory. You can add length or color to your hair with zero commitment, and you don't need long hair to use these. You only need to be able to tie your hair up into a ponytail or a bun. This is a wraparound ponytail, but I also have drawstring ponytail extensions, which I will leave a link to a video about them in the description below. These ponytail extensions feature a comb and a Velcro section, which is what's going to be used to secure your extension. If you are using a colorful ponytail extension like mine, I suggest installing your extension on a bun like I'm doing so that your natural hair doesn't show through and it's completely hidden. Installing your ponytail extension on a bun will give you some extra elevation and volume. I personally like to install my ponytail on a bun because I feel like it gives me a little bit more security, but I definitely suggest trying a few different things and figuring out what's best for you. So this comb right here is gonna go right here between your scalp and your hair tie. And that should sit pretty securely without having to do anything else. Then we're going to take this section and wrap it around this section. Then we're just going to take a bobby pin and secure it. And that is literally it. I told you it only takes a couple of minutes. It's almost too easy. These ponytail extensions are available from my website lizzieslocks.com, and I will leave a link in the description below. If you would like a customized unit like what I'm wearing, then I will leave a link in the description to make a custom request. If you want a little bit more info on the drawstring ponytail extensions, then I suggest watching this video next. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.